Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your glamorous penny pincher Shalomie, and today I'm going to show you how I made those giant Christmas ornaments under my tree and on my tree. So if this is something that you're interested in, you know exactly what to do. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, so these are the items that you will need for your project. Here I have two beach balls, a larger and a smaller one. I picked these up at Walmart. I think the bigger one I paid $2.50 or $3, and then this smaller one I paid $1.50. Then I went to the dollar store, the Dollar Tree, and got these containers because I want to be able to use them as like the handle or the top part, like so. So what I did was I got these little mesh clip cups. I got them in the small and the large as an option. And then I also got these, if you want to be more economical, these small like miniature bowls, 6 in a pack for $1.25. And I got this other one that's a bigger size with 12 in it. So it's your choice. I kind of prefer the way it looks with the clip cups. And then you're going to need some zip ties to mimic the handle. And I will show you how to get the zip ties going with this container, right? Because as you can see, it has like the mesh and the holes that the zip tie can go through. But in some cases, you're going to have to trim parts of it with the scissors to make it kind of free. So you're going to need, these are the only items you need, along with your choice of spray paint. And you'll see the different colors that I chose. I'm going to do some white, some bronzes, black, gold, you name it. But again, these are the only items you need. Very cost effective with your choice of spray paint. Another item you can use as handles are these pipe cleaners. You'll probably just have to spray them in the color that you want to match your tops. But these are very pliable. As you know, you can bend them, twist them however you want them, and you can use them as handles on top of the these little clip cups to complete your look. Okay guys, I'm getting ready to spray my first ball, and what I'm using here is a trash can to sit the ball in so it doesn't move around as I'm spraying it. And I'm outside, it's a little bit windy today, so I've just placed a rock inside of it. You can use a box or any container that you have that will keep the ball stable while you spray it. I'm just using what I have, which is this trash can here. I'm also going to use it in another project, so make sure that you're looking out for those. For this one, I'm using Rust-Oleum red apple. This is going to be a red ball, and I'm not sure if I'm going to use a gold or white top yet. You'll see, but this is what I'm using, and I picked this up at Home Depot. You can get these at Walmart or anywhere, but this is one I love because the coverage is very, very good. Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to make the handle for your ornament. So I'm using one of the bigger containers because I'm going to put this on one of the bigger balls. So all you need is the container and you need your zip tie. Now to feed the zip tie in, you want to get this part on the inside of your container. So I'm going to start by just fishing it through, and what I'm doing is I'm putting it through one of the top ones, right? The closer to the top, the better I find that it works. So I'm just gonna turn it around here, just feed it in. And guys, it will take a little bit of doing because the holes are kind of tight. So you push it in as much as you possibly can, work it all the way through. Now, if you find that it's giving you a hard time to go through, just get your scissors, guys, and just trim it down just a little bit. And you can do it all the way. Trim it till you get to the very top, the tip, without making it too skinny. Okay, you just want to trim it down just a tad so that it will go through the hole freely, and you can twist it and turn it as you desire. Another tip that I find that works for me, guys, is I'm using this like veggie peeler, and I put it a little bit onto and just slice it up like that. Again, you want to make sure that it's not too thin. Till you get to that point, just remove it. Then you just cut the smaller part off with your scissors. Just like so. And what you have done is you have made it thinner to go through the holes, and you have also preserved the top for when you want to close it up. So after paring it down, guys, you want to pull it, feed it through. Again, making sure that this part is on the inside because you don't want it showing once you put it on your ball. Give it a little bit of room inside, just like so, about that much. Then you flip it, turn it over, like so. And then you're just gonna feed this other side in. And just like that, you have your handle. So guys, you wanna make sure that you know, kind of eyeball it, see how much of it you want out. You can pull it so it's shorter, or you can extend it longer. But once you get to this point, guys, you wanna just fold it like this and go on in. And then you're gonna make sure that you hook it here. Now, in some cases, it might not catch properly because you have pared this part down, but I'm gonna show you what to do. So you just, you know, feed it through like you do any normal zip tie. This one is a little bit loose because I pared it down. So what I'm gonna do, guys, to secure it is I'm just going to put a dab of crazy glue on here just to make sure that it's firmly secured. Once you've applied your crazy glue, you just snip off the excess. And you are ready to spray paint. If you find that you want a simpler method, as I said before, you can use the pipe cleaners, and it's much quicker. You just basically feed it through, bring it across, feed it through the other side, measure to see how tall you want your handle to be. And like I said, these are pliable, so you can fix it and fit it and turn it and twist it, move it to the side, and then you can just go in and just twist it together on the inside, just like so. And with that, you have your handle. Well, it's not gonna be as clean as the other, but it works. And then you can spray paint it to your liking. Okay guys, so here I have one of the balls that's ready to go. This is one of the larger ones. I did this one in bronze, and I'm going to attach the gold lid to it, or the gold handle to it. And I'm going to be careful to put it right over this hole here where the ball gets the air from. So when it's all finished, it's going to be placed like this. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some crazy glue. I'm using my crazy glue again. You can also use some E6000 for like a longer lasting hold. I don't know, maybe next year or something, I'll want to do something differently with these giant balls. So it might be a different color. I don't care too much to have it like lasting long. So I'm just going to apply it all the way around the rim. Just like so. And once I have it all around, I'm just going to look at my ball and just eyeball it and just place it down. Hold it in place for a little bit to make sure it adheres to the ball. Just like so, and we are done. How quick and easy was that, guys? Pretty simple. Pretty easy, beautiful, beautiful DIY for your jumbo or your giant Christmas ornaments. And we're gonna go ahead now and I'm gonna show you all the rest of them. Super, super gorge. And here they are, guys, under my Christmas tree. They look absolutely amazing. Very, very simple, quick and easy DIY, and very cost effective. And you can do pretty much any color that you desire. Here's another one that I've put in the tree to go with the rest of my decor, but it's absolutely beautiful. All right, guys, this is all I have for you today. I hope this DIY was helpful. Thank you so much for tuning in and spending some time with me. And if this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I truly do appreciate you clicking on this video and would love for you to join the Penny Pincher family. It's real simple, guys. All you have to do is to hit that subscribe button below and make sure you hit that notification bell also. That way you are the first to know when I upload new videos. And to my lovely penny pinchers, you know exactly how I feel. Love you, love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your Glamorous Penny Pincher ChelomieC saying bye-bye.